Okay, today we're visiting Mystic, Connecticut. Mystic, Connecticut was established in 1864. We're going to go check out some of the sights and sounds. Let's go.
Ham and cheese. This is the thing, the sticky bun. We just walked around and shopped and ate some delicious pastries from Sift. We watched the drawbridge go up.
Yeah, there's multiple things to do here though. So if you want ice cream, there's plenty of ice cream here.
Yeah.
Also check out the Harp and Hound Irish Pub.
And the beer and bank was good too. We had a beer from there last night. So cute little town, very crowded in the summer.
Bank and Bridge.
Bank and Bridge. It's like an old bank that's now a brewery. With that food too, but anyway, it's all right down here. Main Street, right there, all of it. See the drawbridge.
And Mystic Pizza.
It was in a movie. We're gonna go watch it.
Yeah. So what was your favorite place in Mystic?
Well, Sift, the
Sift.
bakery. Eat at Sift, the bakery. It's right down
Sift
there.
the bakery's right down there.
Down the road from Mystic Pizza. That train can actually take you to Boston or
New York City.
New York City. So you can catch a train in Mystic and go all the way into the cities.
Yeah, they said it's like an hour and a half ride into Boston from here.
I think so, yeah.
And so you can stay here and you can venture out to multiple places. So good place to stay.